3 stereotypes about rich people. Myth 1. If you are from a wealthy family, you will also have a lot of money. According to statistics, more than 70% of such families lose their fortune in the second generation. That is, only less than 30% of the heirs can keep the capital of their parents in their hands. Myth 2. All rich people inherited their money. Forbes cites a funny statistic. In 2014, more than 70% of rich people were first-generation rich people, that is, they themselves made a fortune. Myth 3. Rich people don't have to work hard. 86% of wealthy people worked more than 50 hours a week. In addition, they are much less likely to allow themselves sick leave and absenteeism, spend less time in vain, for example, in social networks. Therefore, get out of your head these nonsense, work on yourself, take the risk of starting something new and you will prosper.